Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay and this is my channel, Make Money with Video. I show you how to make money on different social media sites, including YouTube, Facebook, Etsy, Amazon. And today's video, we're going to talk about Amazon for the KDP promotion, the promotion of your low content books. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Like I said, I upload videos. I also do KDP. Here's some of my earnings, not very good. I'm building a brand. There's a new feature called A+ content. I show you how to do it step by step. So if you want to come and look at this, July reports, Q4 ideas, which is Q4, which is the main, like October, November, and December. It's when everyone starts going on a buying frenzy. But let's get into today's video, guys. If you are a KDP producer, like you make books and you upload them and that, you should be making videos as well, guys. Now this is just one channel, Colouring Book Cafe, right? But if you look at them, they have made some video. They've got videos here. So this is their author page, yeah. So if people click on their name, and if they look at one of the books and they click on their name, it'll bring them to the it's called Author Central, guys. And you set this up in the people can come, they can read a little bit about you, put the videos, instead of just having your books displayed, upload videos. Now, I don't want to clip this because it could get done for copyright, but I'm going to show you a couple of sites where you can get these done for, guys. Now, this is Fiverr, yeah? And I've just typed in Amazon product video. Now, if you look at the prices, £74, yeah? £140, £167, £230. These are quite expensive, guys. £39, £46. Now, we don't want to be paying that every time we get a book. I mean, you can do, but I just don't see the point, guys. So, what I did, I searched again and I looked for book video. Yeah, you can search for different things, and I found some for a little bit cheaper, or a lot cheaper. £15, £7, £15. Yeah, £15. And if you keep looking, there's more. Yeah, £15, £19, £15. But £3, yeah, £11, £7. But I have got an app and it's called Video Creator, guys. Now you can create all these different templates, yeah. So these are all like your most popular. Now you're probably thinking, well, I don't want to upload these kind of videos. You don't need these kind of videos. That's perfectly fine, guys. But if you look here, look, promo videos. Yeah, those videos what we've just seen then. You could make these for your books, and it's not going to cost you 200 plus or 100 plus, you guys. Now it's just loading up, I think. But you've got all these guys. You like video resize, special events, slideshows, scroll stoppers, real estate, neon signs. Yeah, local business videos. You could actually, if you had this app, you could actually make all these kind of videos. Yeah, all the eyes templates, and you just change a few like text and that. Right, but anyway, these are the ones I want you to look at. They're called flipbooks. If you look at it, have a quick look. And you put your logo there, it opens the book, shows inside it, guys. What better way? People can see inside your book and see what your designs are and that. Yeah? It closes up. And then you can put your brand logo there and a little description, a website or something where they can pick it up from. And you've got all these different ones. You've got this one here, guys. Like shows the front and back of the book. Another, I think they're the same. You've got like a wood background. You've got these 3D pop-up book images. So you can put your images there. Yeah. But like I said, guys, you've got all these videos. All these are promo videos. That's why I don't show it. But yeah, you can advertise like e-commerce. I'm doing that. All these different videos. Yeah, it's done it there, guys. Here we go. Look, you can advertise your books on these kind of things, like put them on Instagram and Pinterest and stuff like that. So you can also share them to Facebook and TikTok, you name it, guys. Now I'm going to show you a bit more about this. It's basically turn your ideas into world-class animated videos, yeah, for any goal and shapes, topics, languages, and record speed. This is a brilliant app, guys. Hundreds of ready-to-use templates. Now just think how many different templates you can use your book on and share them across different social medias. Yeah, videos in all shapes and dimensions. So that means you can put them on, like I said, vertical on the Instagram, Pinterest, etc. Landscape for you and rectangle for Facebook, and you can even upload it to YouTube, guys, and have your own little YouTube channel with all your different books. Yeah. So videos for all marketing goals, multilingual support. So even if you're making books, guys, you can also create videos for businesses and sell them as well. So make a bit more money. Yeah, unlimited video renders. That means you can do as many as you want. Yeah, no monthly fees. Copyright free video, image, and music. So you can use the images and the music. Yeah, you're not going to get done for it, guys. Commercial activity, sell videos to clients online and offline to maximize revenues and make more money. Yeah, so you get all the commercial rights included, which means you can sell them. Now look, you've got like your neon signs, guys. You've got special show reel for like when you want to do events and stuff like that. Your products, video ads. Yeah, so like showcase and that, promo videos. Great for when you want to do special offers and that. Intro videos, if you want to make like YouTube channels and that. Marketing commercials, health and wellness, food videos, Facebook cover videos, fashion and style, explainer videos, coronavirus. Yeah. And it's so easy, guys. Yeah, you select which one it is. You do a bit of customize, like put your logo. And if you want to unlimited videos forever, guys, so you don't have to keep going back over to here and buying these different gigs to get your books. All you've got to do, guys, is sign up for this. It's a one-time payment, and you can make as many as you want, guys. So I'm just going to show you a few more things. Like here, look, no experience needed. All-in-one video creator makes it super easy to create pro-quality videos. Yeah, create videos in minutes with drag-and-drop templates. Millions of copyright-free music, video, and images. Yeah. No limits, no restrictions, or monthly fees. So you're saving money. Replace freelancers with hundreds of pro-quality templates to create all types of videos. It's a no-brainer, guys. This is what is good for you, me, and all other KDP low-content publishers, guys, because it's going to help us. Then you can come on here. You can read it all. I will leave the link in the description. So you could like mock-up videos, yeah, guys, where you can have him holding your book. So it look with your website or your name there, yeah. It's gonna hold. You can hold. It's got lots of these different kinds of called revolutionary motion tracking technology. You've got your big budget corporate style videos, so you can put your book on those if he's reading it, he's looking through your website and things like that. You've got your scroll stoppers, which things like pop out on your face. It looks like a Facebook post, but then something pops out of the screen. Let's see if I can quickly. No, we don't need to see that. You can look at any of them, like your profit boosting e-commerce and product demo videos. This is what the Fiverr people were selling for a lot of money. And look, you got like your pop-up 3D. Look, first to market video flip books. So you can put your book there, make it look good, make it look stand out. 3D animation videos, which sell quite a lot as well, guys. Business videos featuring humans. You've got all sorts, guys. Come and have a look at it yourself. Like I said, the link's in the description. Let's go and see the price. Let's see how much it's going to cost you, guys. Won't be a minute. You can read all these, all different. Well, you get some bonuses as well. Yes, you get your commercial license, you get unlimited video renders, you get your unlimited background removal. So you can remove backgrounds as well, guys. Yeah, instant background removal for all your image assets. Yeah, make your images pop and look professional. So you don't have to pay for image removers. You can just do it on here. Yeah, you've also got a huge font library, so you can use different fonts, stand out, and make your stuff look better. It's saying it's such a low price. So here we are. video creator, guys. So you get all this with it. And it's $67, guys, but you're going to get a special discount which expires soon, which you'll pay $49, yeah, and that's a one-time fee, guys. So instead of coming to Fiverr and getting people and spending lots of money on different gigs just for your book, yeah, you're just going to pay a one-time fee, and then you can create as many as you want of all these different types of videos, guys. So you can put your book on all these if you want, share them across all social medias, guys. And that is today's video, guys, and it is how you can do promotion for your KDP low content books. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you've not done so already, please subscribe. And thanks very much. I will be back soon with another KDP low content book video. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, goodbye.